Hi everyone, it's me, Larry. I am back with another vacuum cleaner video, and this time it is the Eureka Whirlwind Bagless. That is from the Eureka Victory line. You're seeing the front of it. I'll even show you the back. It came with these tools and this. It is missing that, but I'm not worried about that. I don't want that part. That's the filter. I'm gonna take it off. And this is what I'm talking about. This is actually in there. I can't just take it out. If I had to replace this, I have to replace the whole thing. Ugh. But that's the... most people don't really like these particular Eurekas, the earlier bagless, because they say the filtration's not very good. I actually think it works good. I remember back when these came out, around the late 90s, early 2000s, that almost everybody in my family had one. Now, without further ado, I am going to have to do a jump cut because I have to plug it up to the wall to turn it on. So hang on. Now I'm going to try to position this where it won't screw up the recording. Try to position this where it won't. Hopefully that's right. And you might hear my roommate be making annoying noises, so pardon that. You might. And by the way, that's the wheels squeaking, not the motor. And I wanted to show you all the cyclonic action, and I don't know why I've got that terrible angle. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with more soon. Bye for now, and I hope your tomorrow is just as nice as you want it to be.